Are you sick of your headlights looking like this? So you think, oh, here's a better option, I'll buy some aftermarket ones. Well, these do not work. The headlights don't work. So we're stuck with original ones that look terrible. I will show you how I fix these in a video the correct way, to where if you polish them, it's gonna come back. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I fix these the right way, and we'll be able to see again. All right, Anthony's gonna show you how we remove the headlights.
It's really simple, and then towels. Okay, start here. There are clips here, and there are clips underneath here, and they're like extremely simple to take out. Just pull them out and lift up, because there's a little notch here. Just make sure you lift up so you don't break them. There you go. And then literally, they just slide out. Extremely simple. Just make sure you unclip this clip here, unplug, and then we'll set it over here for the sanding. The other side. That clip out. Pull the other clip out. Extremely simple. You can go ahead and cut it there.
All right, I'm gonna go get some sandpaper for you to sand them, and I'll be right back. They're pretty rough, so I gotta get something pretty coarse. Whoa, 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 what are you doing? Not a brick? Yo, that's way too rough. Calm down, put the brick down.
You said coarse.
Jeez, just because people can do that at home doesn't mean you use a brick. My God, calm down. Jeez, hold on a second. All right, now that you have the headlights removed, we're gonna sand them so we can clear them. The first step is we're gonna wet sand them with 320, because that's what you're gonna be able to do at home. So here you go, Anthony. Go ahead, wet sand them with 320. Because these are pretty rough, so it's gonna take some work. You have to get all the clear off before you clear them, because if you don't, it'll still look like crap. So all of it has to be removed. It's gonna be some work, but it'll be worth it. All right, we're using 600 now to get out the 320 scratches. You have to work your way up. You can't cut them or you'll show sand scratches and they will not be perfectly clear. So Anthony's using the 600 now, and then Nick's will use 800, and then hopefully we'll be able to clear after that. All right, Anthony's wet sanding with 800 now, and hopefully once we wipe it down, we'll be ready to move on to clear. If you look careful, you can see the clear starting to come off, but you have to get clear all the way off to look about like this. Of course, it's a little dusty. And these look smooth like this, not like that scaly. That all has to come off before you can clear. There's no way I'm gonna wet sand these. It would take a week. I'm using 180 and a freaking DA. It would take too long. If you have the capabilities to use a DA, it's way easier. Because even DAing it, you can see the edge. The edge is the line of the clear. Like, this is still clear. This is stripped off. So if you have a DA sander, it can go way faster, but you have to remove all that. See how that line is? We gotta walk that all the way out until it's gone. Then all the clear is removed. Now we just need to move up in our steps of grits of sandpaper till we get to 800 grit, and then we'll be able to clear that, and it shouldn't show any scratches. It's a good example of the old clear and how you have to sand it till it's gone. You can see the edge of it to where I've sanded it, and it's not. You can actually see the edge of the clear. You have to walk that all the way off till you strip it all gone. You gotta mask off all the rubber around it. And then we'll mask off the other side because we don't want clear on the backs here. And that's a no-no. So we only want clear on the face. We use spray away. Wipe it down with microfiber and spray away. Before you paint. Do not touch afterwards. Or time lapse. No Chick-fil-A sauce. Orange.
But Loctite is red.
No, red has never come off. Orange is torque convertibles. Orange means kinda comes off.
It's 3 times stronger than blue.
You know what works best though?
What?
Cross thread it.
That's a good YouTube channel. Crossfire Garage. I like it, you know.
All right, Tilden's trying to steal my thunder, but here, we got this Spray Max 2K. You can get it on Amazon. I'll post the link. It's activated. We need to take this little thing here, put it on here, smush it down, puts activator in it. It'll only last for about 3 hours, so be sure before that you're ready before you do it. Because you only have a limited amount of time and it'll get hard inside of it. But this is going to be the best stuff for the headlights because this would be the equivalent to what I would have in a gun. It's going to be the closest thing we can get at home for most of you people. Okay, first thing we're going to do is tack it off. It's already masked. We wiped it with spray away. We're going to tack it off. You can buy these usually at a hardware store. It may not be that brand, but you can buy them at hardware stores. It's called the tack rag. We're going to wipe them. Just remove the dust. These headlights are pretty rough. Hopefully they're going to turn out alright. If you look, they do have a little bit of cracking up there, but they'll guarantee they'll be better than they were. We're doing a lot of sets of these today.
We got multiple Pimpalas, so.
That we do. We have a lot of them. Alright, so we got tacked on. I give everything a coat of this. Make sure it sticks to plastic. Make sure you shake it. It's a plastic adhesion promoter. You can buy it on Amazon. It just needs a light coat. It just makes sure it's going to stick to plastic. I'm going to put that in there.
We're not fancy like pudding, so.
We have a pan shaker.
Yeah.
I do have a pan shaker though, but it ain't that deep. Oh look, there goes that straight 548. Go get your scrap metal, buddy. I bet he ain't got all of his teeth. Guarantee he don't have all of his teeth. Alright, you ready? Light coat. Nothing heavy yet. check that out. So that's what they look like. They look like brand new headlights. And some of these cars, like say this car, the headlight comes out easy, but some of them do not come out easy. So you are able to mask off the car and protect it from the clear with some plastic, and then you can clear them on the car, because that's the best solution for some of these. You just have to be careful on your masking, and that can be done. But I want to thank everybody for watching. If you can like and subscribe, I'm out.